Well, well, well. Here we go. Oh. Let's see what the shoe fairy brought. Yeah. See. Boom. Now, I was very surprised that these were relatively easy to get. I didn't get them on. Obviously, I didn't get them on the first day, but I did wait for them to drop in price a little bit, so I was able to get them on StockX for pretty much the retail price with shipping and everything. So they dropped in price, which is real surprising, because if you call yourself a Jordan head or sneaker head, I would think that this would have been a instant classic or instant cop. I've never had a pair of black toes, and for them to come back with the original no wings logo, but with the original logo, to me that's great. Anyway, box top, it's tight, paper cool, got the good cool design on it. We got we got Air Jordan in there. So again, StockX authentication, but they did a good job repackaging it after the authentication. And yeah, okay, I can dig it. Yeah. Now, size 13s, so they big, but yeah. And again, they come with the cool paper. I remember as a kid, or when I was my last year in high school. I had this jumpsuit or tracksuit. The top and the bottom. So again, great job with the paper. Shoes, of course, everybody knows what the black toes look like. Good leather. I'm gonna have to get good leather. Is not extra soft, but it is pretty. I would say it's relative. It's good stuff, man. Good thick, nice and thick. It'll wear well. It's not the 85 highs that everybody was for $250, which is nuts. But I think I'm gonna do them just like MJ got them in there with the red laces, just to keep it 100. Alrighty. So yeah, I'm glad I got them. I'm glad I was able to get them for not the cheap, but for relative. Can I cut that? For relatively. Okay. That's enough free advertisement. Down there. Yeah, man. Black toes. Finally got a pair. Going along with my Chicago's. But yeah, pre-aged sole, which is okay. I'm not a big stickler. It doesn't matter to me. It'd be cool if they were white, but they'll turn yellow over time anyway. So yeah. I don't know why people slept on them, but it is what it is.